Oh man, I'm on a full server, dude, running the Baron Zeno. I don't even have anything right now. I'm hoping I can just get somebody to start bandaging me, and I'm just gonna try to knock them out. So.
Alright, then I guess I'll finish with it, then I'll come back down here.
Alright.
Alright, man.
User left your channel.
Hey, how you doing? You scared me.
How are you doing?
I'm alright, how are you? Where are you going? You're lagging a lot. Where are you going? Whoa!
Whoa, where are you going?
Whoa. What are you doing?
Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're like lagging over here.
Yeah, I got a red link, dude.
Yeah,
I got a red link.
I got a red link. Alright, well I'm way the hell up the road.
Oh, I'm standing right by you right now. I see you.
And I'm standing right by you.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? It says I'm
What?
bleeding, but I'm not bleeding. I don't know. Maybe it's my leg. I just dropped rags on the ground. Could you patch me up, please? Where'd you go? I knew it. I knew it. You're one of those hackers, aren't you? I knew it. God damn it, dude. I knew it. Hey, stop, dude. You're one of the hackers, bro. Why? Why you hacking? Why? What's so fun about hacking?
I get to hear you yell.
Oh yeah, you get to hear me yell, so that's what's fun about hacking?
So fun, dude.
Yeah? You know what I think it is? I think you're not good at the game at all, and that's why you gotta hack.
I'm good at the game.
No, I don't think you're good at the game at all, bro. That's why you're hacking.
I'm good at the game, bro. At least I don't spend 6 hours getting all my gear like you do.
I don't spend 6 hours getting my gear either.
How do you get your gear?
By manipulating people.
Oh, manipulate me. Faggot. You got like a secret time watch you about to hypnotize me?
Nope.
You manipulator?
Nope. Keep speed hacking, bro. I'll just put you on. I'll put you on YouTube, bro.
Oh man, you're not the 30th person to say that.
No, I'll really put you on YouTube. You can look me up. My name's Mr. Handcuffs. You can see what I do to people.
Well, what do you do to people? I'll show you what I do to people.
Yeah? Hey, you're awesome, bro. You're awesome. Ready? Hitting you up on YouTube, buddy. You can watch it tonight.